Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope you are all doing well. In this video, I will be discussing about the invoices, especially how to create an invoice and download it after a payment is made. Uh, a fundamental feature is any application is the ability to ability to process payments and user requires payment receipt or invoices after that. In this video, I'll guide you through the easy and simple steps to create a invoice in a Bubble application. So, uh, first of all, in every e-commerce websites or applications or any SaaS platform, any service type based platforms has an option to make a payment. So after that, uh, they they used to or they save our data, payment data in their platforms. So in Bubble application, we have to create a invoice table. So I have created a invoice table contains amount, invoice number, and service provider or pay by user. So amount is in numbers. So whenever the user make a payment, after that the payment or invoice details are saved in this table. We have some entries over here, 10 $20, $10, $40, $100. So in this is the invoice table in a dashboard. In invoice tab, this is the screen. All the information about related to invoices are shown over here. So when the user click on this I button, the invoice information will be shown in a form of invoice. So I have created a pop-up just like an invoice, a company logo, platform company logo, company details, and the client name, client details, invoice number, date, and this is the form of a invoice. So I have just created a pop-up and the groups text, normal text, and amount information in a form of just like a table, and add the download button here also. So whenever user will hit the download button, uh, it will generate a PDF throughout this pop-up. So in the download button, I add a workflow here like Bubble Element 2 PDF. So it will generate a PDF according to the pop-up or information and download it. So let's see how it will work. After the payment, make a payment throughout the Stripe or any other platform. The information has been saved in our invoice table and will reflecting over here. So when the user hit the I button, it will show like this. The all the information are fetched properly. $10.10, $20, and $100. So when user hit the download button, it will generate a PDF form and all the information has been fetched properly. This is the simple way to create an invoice and download it. I hope you like this video and you can raise a query in comment section, and yes, don't forget like and subscribe. Thank you. I'll see you in the next one.